everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this summer additional. We have not the ordinary additional, no. And it's in today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 4th, 2022. 3 puzzles are left. I've already solved the first one, the Letter Sudokus. 3 puzzles are left, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. Yes. Alright, 2 stars Sudoku number 4961. 4961. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one with 2 stars has always 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. That's my time limit. All right. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 2 in this row, the 2 in the in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. All right, 3, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And we have a pair, 1 and a 4. So 1 and a 4 in this row, the 1 and the 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and 4. So what number? 1 number left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in a column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. All right. Okay. Now I need to wait for the 3. Cannot complete this. The number 3 need to wait, but the 1 in this row, the 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. Cannot continue with the 1 now. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, and look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 8. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. All right. Then. Let me see. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in second second row, so no 3 and a 9 in these two boxes. We have a 3 and a 9 in this column, so no 3 and a 9 in those two boxes. The 3 and a 9 goes in these two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 3 and a 9. Okay. And let me see. 8, 7, yeah. No. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. We have a 2 in this column, so in the third column. So no 2 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So the 8 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9. 8, 8, 8, 9, 9. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Okay, 9. We have a 4 in the last row, the 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in the middle column, so no 2 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 8 and the 9. Now we have an 8 there, so this box give me 8 in the more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 9. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 3 and the 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this box gave me 9 and more. That box should be 9, and this box should be a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. How about the 9? Nope. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see here 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. How about? Let me see. 4, 4. 4. No. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2 and a 6. Now we have a 2 there in this row. So no 2 here, the 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row. Third row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first column? I've marked this with 1 and a 4, so 1 and a 4 are missing in the first column. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in the first row, so third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box should be a 1. Can I complete with the 1? Yes, 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row. Second row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column. 4 number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Yes. Now we have a 6 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6 and the 7. Now we have a 6 there in the third column. Cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. The final 2 numbers, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 it goes, and there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, 2 stars. Well, let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than the 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku with 3 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now. No, the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a 3 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.